It's easy to feel overwhelmed by debt, unpaid student loans, an ever-increasing credit card balance with high interest, a monthly car payment. These are just a few reasons why young consumers feel like they carry a huge financial weight on their shoulders. Welcome to another episode of Health and Wealth. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest uploads. Before we start, please keep in mind that we are not certified financial advisors. We simply provide informative and educational videos, so please do your due diligence when investing. Okay, let's get into today's video. Your first step, do something, even if it's small. Many people feel like they can't move forward and accomplish life goals because they have too much debt, but keep in mind that any small step in the right direction can help put you on track. Too often, the problem of feeling saddled by debt isn't because we don't make enough money to eliminate it, but because we don't know where to start or where our money is going. So if you feel like you're drowning in debt, she encourages you start by simply looking at your bank account so you can get a clearer understanding of your past spending. Doing this can help you see your purchasing habits and reveal categories where you may be able to cut back your expenses. One of the goals is to find excess money that can go toward your debt. Then, pick one debt to pay off. Most people who feel overwhelmed by debt are carrying balances on multiple accounts. Whether they have more than one credit card, student loan debt, or a big car loan, sometimes it can be hard to prioritize what to pay off first. You need to make at least the minimum payments on all your other debts in order to keep your accounts current and your credit score stable. After that, figure out the best debt repayment plan for you. You can choose to pay off your smallest balance first, the snowball method, or focus on the debt with the highest interest rate, the avalanche method. Once you figure out how much extra cash you have to put toward your debt, 𝐦𝐸 recommends that you just put it toward one balance. Spreading out that extra cash to pay off multiple balances at once is one of the biggest mistakes she sees that keeps people in debt longer. The impact on the principal is greatest when you put everything toward one debt, 𝐦𝐸 says. You'll make faster progress, causing you to want to continue on the path when you focus on one at a time. If you have credit card debt, consider this third step. If you're carrying a revolving credit card balance, you might want to focus on it first, given credit cards' notoriously high interest rates. Interest can quickly compound and grow each month, says Leslie Tain, a debt relief attorney at Tain Law Group. Consider signing up for a balance transfer credit card. When you make a balance transfer, you move debt from one credit card to a new card that offers a low or 0% introductory interest rate period, which usually lasts 6 to 21 months. And during this period, you won't incur any additional interest charges, and you can benefit from your payments going entirely toward your principal balance. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed it and you found it interesting, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.